Busog na ka. Wait. Busog na ako. How to open this? Tada! Cheers! This is my favorite wine, guys, Novellino. So, this is good. This is only 4.5% alcohol. So, I did not put ice because I don't like cold. I have cough and cold. I don't want to drink cold. Baka hindi gumaling yung ano ko. So, yeah. Cheers. Whoa! This is so good. Sarap. Cheers, guys. How are you doing today? I'm good. Hello, Jimmy. Happy New Year. Bashir. Hello, my friend. Tea, coffee. I have here coffee. I don't like tea. But yeah, sometimes I drink tea. But not always. 3 shut down. No. I also drink hard. Not only wine. I love also drinking beer, flavored beer. Hello, Dodong Milvin. Mega love shout out. How are you, Dodong? Zaira Rianata. Hello. Salam. Hi, my dear. How are you? Ay, ubusin ko yung rice ko. Sayang. Kaya kung tuturuan.